Subscribe to our channel Basic Corner and please press the bell icon to see our videos first.
Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So today we will be reviewing the Dual Action Moisturizer for oily skin. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. The product that we are going to review today is the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer, oil free. It moisturizes and helps prevent spots and blemishes. It is the UK #1 clear skin brand by Johnson & Johnson. It is 100 ml. So the other day I reviewed this product in particular. So it is the exfoliating daily wash, which is a great product. So go ahead and check out the video. I'll link it down in the description box. So yesterday we will be reviewing this body right here. So when you flip at the back, it says Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer is an oil-free moisturizer formulated with a proven spot fighting ingredient to help prevent spots and blemishes with daily use. Leave skin feeling soft, smooth and beautiful every day. It won't clog your pores. It is fragrance free. It is suitable for sensitive skin. So cleanse your skin thoroughly before applying moisturizer. Smooth over face and neck as required. Use daily as part of your clean and clear routine for skin that's really clean, clear and under control. For external use only, avoid contact with eyes. If contact occur, immediately flush with water. Discontinue use if skin irritation develops. Keep out of reach of children. Start by actually opening up the product for you guys. So this is how the product looks like. So okay, this is how it is. Now you can see that it is a white lotion and it has no smell or scent to it. It is fragrance. So let's try it out over here and apply it to our skin just to show you guys how easy it is to apply it. And also it is oil free. Can you see this? And it got absorbed into my skin so easily. Into why I love this product. Number one is because it is oil free. Usually when you have combination to mixed skin type, you can't apply a lot of moisturizer. In fact, a lot of people actually do not use moisturizer because it is too heavy and it makes your skin looks greasier. And of course, makeup don't stay long time on these oily skin. So this is a great product because it is oil free. Number two, despite being oil free, it is really moisturizing. When you apply it, you feel like you're applying a hydrating cream and then a hydrating lotion. And also it helps prevent spots and blemishes. So in fact, just like the other day I popped a pimple and I had a scar, it really made it go away. So for these three reasons, I really love this product. Now number four is that it has a cooling aspect to it. So when you open it up, it is like a lotion. There's nothing. See how good it is. Now it is very cooling when you apply it on your skin. In fact, it is like, wow, that's refreshing. So that's number four. And number five, if you know lotion usually have a very strong smell to it or scent to it, this one has no scent. I am shocked. I am astounded how come it has no scent at all. So it is truly fragrance free. So this was our review on the Dual Action Moisturizer. I personally use this product because I do have a mixed combination skin type and sometimes it gets on the oilier side. So I generally like this product. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified every time we upload a new video, which is on the Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Till next, take care.